Let's be honest, how many times this week have you stood in front of your open fridge, staring blankly at a random assortment of ingredients, completely paralyzed, asking, what am I going to eat? Today we're fixing that. I'm going to show you how you can outsource that mental load to AI and turn your phone into a fridge-rage chef that not only suggests recipes from a photo, but also tells you what you need to cook first so you stop wasting food. It's super easy, you don't need to be a tech wizard, and it's honestly kind of magical. Let's dive in. Alright, step 1, you need an AI assistant, preferably on your phone, so it's easier to capture your photo and pass it directly in the app. I'm using Google's Gemini on my desktop, but ChatGPT or Copilot work great too. You just need to be able to upload an image as part of your prompt. In this example, here is the fridge photo I'm using. You can see there's a variety of basic ingredients. Now of course, you want to try to capture everything you have as clearly as possible, which might involve moving things around a little. Okay, now for the secret sauce, the prompt. This is how we talk to the AI. As you could see, I've uploaded that same photo in my conversation. Now, we won't just say give me recipes, we need to be specific. Here is a solid prompt. I'll put this in the description below so you can use this and modify it as you wish. So I'm being very clear with the instruction here, so I'm telling it based on only the ingredients visible, suggest a meal recipe. And I'm also asking it to keep it simple and not make any other assumptions about what I might have in the pantry. Another interesting part is acting as a kitchen manager. So it's going to point out anything that should be consumed or prioritized before it gets spoiled. Once that's in, we click on submit and we wait for the response. This is my favorite part. As you could see, it's identified 4 priority ingredients that it's found in my picture. And using that, it suggested this meal for me, which is a salmon scramble, for example. So the ingredients are eggs, which it picked up from the photo, the cooked salmon as well, which was the priority item, as well as the cherry tomatoes, the mozzarella, and the butter. And it's also given me the instructions on how to prepare that meal. Now, a quick reality check. The AI is smart, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it thinks a tub of yogurt is sour cream, and sometimes it might suggest a recipe that requires spices that you definitely don't have. So use it as a brainstorming partner, not an absolute dictator. Always double check that you actually have the quantity of food it thinks you do before you start chopping. If you try this out, let me know in the comments what weird but delicious meal the AI came up with for you. If this video helped you save a forgotten vegetable, hit that thumbs up button and I'll catch you in the next one.